Hello there everyone, an unboxing of new packages in. The little one is in the background and she just got a tooth pulled out and she's got an ice cream, so there might be some background noise, but she's interested to see what I've had. Now a few of them I remember what is, but one of them I'm quite unsure, so let's start with that. All of it is from AliExpress and I'll try. I don't remember any of the prices, but I do remember it's a good price. This first one, I do not remember what is in that, so we'll start with that. And I have a pair of scissors here to help me out. What's this? What is this? Okay. Oh yeah, I remember that now. That's from Yaqi. Just cut it open right here. I believe this is a bowl, a retractable one. That's how much space it takes up. Let's see, comes in a cardboard case. It says DLC Yaqi, and you open it here. Alright, oh, bless you. Well, this is it. I have seen it being used on other YouTubers. There you go. This is how it looks. Right here. It says DLC Yaqi, if we can get it to focus. A bit hard for it to, yeah. And it pops. There are some metal rings here to make it a bit more solid, and also here at this ridge here, but it pops. There you go. Silicone. Nice in hand. Seems to be a good space. And retracts quite easily as well. Good lather ball this. Next. We're staying in the same theme. Lather ball. Oh, this is another one. Let's see where the opening is. I just got home from work and I had not time to plan how to open these at all, so excuse me if it's taking a bit longer than you would usually expect an unboxing to do. Now, where do we... There it is. Ah, now I see. Now I see. Good. I'm just opening a hole here with my pair of scissors. Goes like this. Oh no, it's not what I imagined at all. These are the brushes. We'll wait for those in just a minute. But what are these then? What's this? Then we do this. This is the bowl. To stay in the same theme, then we'll deal with the new brushes later on. Comes like this, by the way, and we'll see how it is. There you go. Alright, now we're almost in. Very nicely packaged, this. Safe. Ah, there you go. And protector all around. Looks just like the Yaqi, only this is ceramic and not retractable in any way. There you go. That's how it looks. I believe it's from Liveben. It's a blue coloured. Let's see. Seems hefty. Let's see if it's survived. It seems intact actually. It's very nice. Oh, hefty. Hefty work on this one. Nice blue to put your thumb. Yeah, whoa, yeah. And a lot of spot to agitate. Very nice. They'll also be quite decorationable. And size-wise, almost the same size actually the exact same size. So, indestructible and destructible. Now for the brushes. Comes in here from dscosmetic. I ordered 4 brushes. I'm taking them out. No, 3 brushes, sorry. I remembered incorrectly. 3 brushes. Alright. And they'll be rinsed out and cleaned afterwards. This video. All synthetics. Oh, look at this one. Isn't it flat? Just asked if it wasn't beautiful. Now I don't know if it's going to be done any justice, but look here. There's some stars notion at the base, going into some whiteness and into red. Beautifully. It says here, perhaps you can tell, it's like with dscosmetics. Good backbone on this one. Marvelously great looking brush. Amazing. Alright, the second one. This one's a bit of a wobbly one, but still nice to look at. Look at the marble effect on this one. Very nice, and it says here, base dscosmetics. Not as strong as backbone, but still quite nice. Lovely in the hand as well. Very, a bit smaller in the hand, kind of, you know, yeah. Last brush, it's a bit of a stouty one. Smaller one, but still gorgeously looking. Look at this. Seems like ice here at the top and blue water here at the base. And what here says dscosmetics as well. Actually, this is the one with the least backbone to it, but it's nicely coloured. So least backbone, the second one that I just shown slightly more, and the first one that I shown quite a lot of backbone. So it is increasing. We're using these in the future. That's it for everyone. Quickly unboxing. I'll just get this sorted out in the cabinet and cleaned. I'll see you shortly. Stay safe everyone. Bye bye.